Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix Sony Google TV remote. So if your Sony Google TV remote isn't working, you could start by checking the batteries. So sometimes press each buttons on the remote multiple times to ensure none are jammed. Likewise, you could also make sure that the remote sensor on the TV is not obstructed by anything like a speaker or soundbar. And what you could also do is you could also simply try removing the battery out of the remote for about a minute. While the batteries are out, press and hold the power button on the remote for a few seconds and put the batteries in and close the compartment, and that should be able to help you out as well. If not, you could also check the replacement battery. Sometimes you could ensure that there is no sort of damage on the battery, or ensure completely or make sure that the batteries are inserted correctly. Or you could also replace with a new battery and see whether that fixes your issue or not. The other thing, what you could also do is you could also try cleaning the remote. Sometimes it could be the dust or debris that could be hindering. So you could actually use a microfiber cloth or maybe a wet tissue in order to wipe around the remote and make sure whether that fixes your issue or not. However, if the issue still persists on, you could also try doing a power cycle. That is, unplug the power cord and then reconnect the power on. That should be able to help you out. If nothing seems to be working out, then you want to contact the manual or the instructor, or you could also try a force reset the TV. So these are some of the ways you could do it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.